a delightful country chateau estate located in Aquitaine, Dordogne, France. It offers 15 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. The property is immaculately maintained and offers extensive accommodation across 4 dwellings. The principal chateau, dating to around 1650, extends to approximately 1,010 square meters over 3 floors, and features 10 ensuite bedrooms, a series of reception rooms, kitchens, and a garden room overlooking the grounds. The estate also includes a 3-bedroom house, 2 one-bedroom guestguides, and several outbuildings. The grounds comprise of 56 hectares of landscaped parkland and woodland, including a productive truffle grove. Outdoor features include a swimming pool, a period orangery, and a large vaulted function room with bar and catering kitchen. The asking price of this delightful chateau is €5 million. A rare opportunity to acquire a landmark estate combining historic charm, privacy, and commercial versatility. Thank you for watching.